Welcome to the Insights Hub Basics video series. This video explains the Insights Hub data model, showcasing how its various components provide a powerful and reusable framework for modeling and organizing complex industrial data. Starting from the end-to-end data flow overview, you can see the data model in the middle, which serves as the connecting element that links the connectivity layer with the API and application layer. It defines the structure, organization, and relationships between all connected assets and the data they receive, enabling and optimizing its storage, management, and utilization. The data model primarily consists of the following key components: assets, asset types, aspects, and variables. We will now explore the meaning behind these terminologies, how they interrelate, and how they provide an ideal foundation for flexibly and scalably managing various complexities. Let's begin with a virtual asset. This asset represents the physical real asset located on a customer's site. In our example, this is a robot. The same kind of robot may also be present at other facilities. This robot is an instance of a specific type. In your example, the asset type is defined as small robot, which standardizes this kind of equipment. In addition, there could also be other asset types, such as definitions for medium robot and large robot. Various types of data points can be collected from this robot, which are simply referred to as variables. Now imagine you are responsible for the robot's electrical components and need to explore or monitor its electrical data. When designing the data model, you would group all relevant electrical data into an electrical data aspect. This is just one example. Variables can be categorized and grouped differently based on your specific requirements. As this aspect is relevant to all robot types, it can now be applied to the small, medium, and large robot types. To avoid repeating this grouping and to standardize this structure for each robot, the approach is to first create an aspect type, which can then be reused. This approach also applies to other variables. You can group them similarly. For instance, you might create an aspect type for mechanical and motion data, or one for performance and utilization, and so forth. You can use one or multiple aspects together and assign them to an asset type. For example, the performance and utilization data aspect applies only to the medium and large robot. The sensor data aspect, however, is specific to the large robot, as it alone features additional data collecting sensors. To finalize this session, here you can see how this complete data model, with its components, appears in the Asset Manager within Insights Hub. For more information, find further links, other videos, and the technical documentation for asset management in the description below.